there! Welcome back to Smart Gadget Reviews. Today, we're diving into the 10 best portable camping chairs that will make your outdoor adventures super comfy and hassle-free. Whether you're heading to a campsite, a beach, or a backyard barbecue, I've hand-picked chairs that are lightweight, foldable, and durable, perfect for any outdoor enthusiast. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's get started and find your next favorite camping chair. Ainfox Foldable Camping Chair. The Ainfox Foldable Camping Chair is perfect for anyone looking for comfort on the go. Lightweight yet sturdy, it folds up easily and comes with a convenient carry bag, making transportation a breeze. The durable steel frame ensures stability, while the breathable fabric keeps you cool during long sitting sessions. Its compact design doesn't compromise on comfort, featuring a high backrest and supportive armrests. Ideal for camping, picnics, or sporting events, this chair is ready to handle any outdoor adventure. Plus, it's simple to set up in seconds, so you can spend less time struggling with assembly and more time relaxing. If you value both portability and durability, this chair is a fantastic choice. Heavy Portable Camping Chair. If you need a camping chair that can support more weight without sacrificing comfort, the Heavy Portable Camping Chair is a top pick. Designed with a reinforced steel frame and extra thick fabric, it delivers outstanding durability and stability. Despite its strength, it's still surprisingly portable, folding neatly into a carrying bag for easy transport. The chair also includes deep, comfortable seating and a supportive backrest, making long hours outdoors more enjoyable. Its design balances sturdiness with convenience, ensuring you're always ready for a relaxing spot by the campfire or at a sports event. Lightweight, easy to carry, and built to last, this chair is ideal for outdoor enthusiasts who want both comfort and reliability. GCI Outdoor Rocker Chair. The GCI Outdoor Rocker Chair brings an unmatched level of relaxation to any outdoor adventure. Unlike traditional camping chairs, this one features a smooth rocking motion, perfect for unwinding after a long hike. Its padded armrests and high backrest enhance comfort, while the durable steel frame guarantees stability on uneven terrain. The chair folds quickly for convenient transport and storage, and the breathable mesh seat keeps you cool during warm days. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or just enjoying a quiet afternoon outside, this chair adds a touch of luxury to your outdoor experience. Lightweight, portable, and incredibly comfortable, it's the perfect blend of style and functionality. TOBTOS Folding Camping Chair. The TOBTOS Folding Camping Chair is a versatile and lightweight option for outdoor lovers. Its compact design makes it easy to carry, while the durable steel frame ensures stability and support. The breathable fabric provides comfort during long sitting sessions, and the high backrest offers excellent posture support. It folds effortlessly into a convenient carry bag, making transport a breeze. Perfect for camping trips, fishing, picnics, or sporting events, this chair is built for convenience and durability. Additionally, its modern design and vibrant colors add a fun touch to your outdoor setup. With easy assembly and a practical design, this chair is an ideal choice for anyone seeking portability and comfort in one package. Compact Lightweight Camping Chair. For those who value portability without compromising on comfort, the Compact Lightweight Camping Chair is a must-have. Its sleek, minimal design folds easily into a small, carry-friendly bag, perfect for hiking, camping, or beach trips. The durable frame ensures stability, while the breathable fabric allows for long-lasting comfort. Despite its compact size, it offers excellent support with a sturdy seat and backrest, so you won't feel cramped. Setting it up is quick and simple, and the lightweight design means you can carry it anywhere effortlessly. This chair is perfect for adventurers who want a balance of portability, durability, and comfort, ensuring you can relax anytime, anywhere outdoors without hassle. Wildhiker Folding Camping Chair. The Wildhiker Folding Camping Chair is designed for ultimate outdoor convenience. Lightweight and portable, it easily fits into a carry bag, making it ideal for camping, fishing, or backyard relaxation. The steel frame provides exceptional stability, while the high-quality fabric delivers comfort for extended sitting periods. Its compact, foldable design allows for effortless storage and transport without sacrificing durability. The chair's ergonomic design supports proper posture, ensuring comfort whether you're enjoying a sunrise hike or late-night campfire. Additionally, the vibrant design adds a fun, stylish touch to any outdoor setup. With quick assembly and a reliable structure, this chair is a perfect companion for anyone seeking convenience, comfort, and durability. Naturehike Ultralight Camping Chair. If you prioritize weight savings without losing comfort, the Naturehike Ultralight Camping Chair is your go-to option. Extremely lightweight yet durable, it's easy to carry on hikes, camping trips, or any outdoor excursion. The strong frame ensures stability, while the breathable, high-quality fabric offers comfort during extended use. This chair folds down compactly into a small storage bag, making transportation effortless. Despite its minimalist design, it provides excellent support with a sturdy seat and backrest. Ideal for adventurers who value portability, ease of setup, and durability, this chair doesn't skimp on comfort. Whether you're sitting by a campfire or relaxing on the beach, it's a practical and reliable choice for outdoor enthusiasts. The Marchway Folding Camping Chair. The Marchway Folding Camping Chair is a reliable companion for any outdoor activity. Designed with a sturdy steel frame and durable fabric, it provides excellent stability and comfort for hours of use. Its foldable design makes it easy to transport and store, while the breathable material keeps you cool during warm weather. The chair features a high backrest and armrests, offering support and relaxation for any adventure. Perfect for camping, picnics, tailgating, or beach trips, it combines practicality with comfort. Quick to set up and compact for storage, this chair is perfect for anyone who wants a hassle-free outdoor seating solution. Its durable construction ensures it will last through countless adventures. Coleman Camping Chair Cooler. The Coleman Camping Chair Cooler is a game-changer for outdoor enthusiasts who want comfort and convenience. This chair not only provides a comfortable seat with a supportive backrest and armrests, but it also includes a built-in cooler pouch to keep drinks chilled. Its steel frame ensures stability, while the breathable fabric enhances comfort during long sitting periods. The chair folds up easily for transport and storage, making it ideal for camping, tailgating, or beach outings. Lightweight yet durable, it offers practicality and comfort in one package. If you love relaxing outdoors with your favorite beverages close by, this innovative chair is perfect for keeping cool and comfortable anywhere you go. Oversized Folding Camping Chair. The Oversized Folding Camping Chair is perfect for those who want maximum comfort outdoors. Its large seating area and sturdy steel frame provide support for longer sitting sessions, while the durable fabric ensures comfort and breathability. The chair folds easily into a carry bag for convenient transport, despite its generous size. High backrest and armrests offer excellent relaxation, making it ideal for camping trips, picnics, or sporting events. This chair combines durability, portability, and comfort effortlessly. Whether you're relaxing by the campfire or enjoying a sunny day at the beach, the oversized design ensures plenty of space to stretch out and unwind. It's a must-have for outdoor lovers seeking comfort and convenience. That wraps up our review of the 10 best portable camping chairs. Each of these options brings its own mix of comfort, durability, and convenience, making outdoor adventures more enjoyable. From ultralight options perfect for hikers to oversized chairs built for maximum relaxation, there's something for everyone. Don't forget, all the links to these chairs are in the description, so you can check prices and more details easily. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Smart Gadget Reviews, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our top product reviews. Happy camping!